Good luck now.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are having a group discussion about luck versus hard work. I believe hard work is more powerful than luck. Of course, luck matters, but hard work matters a lot. You can take an example of Mr. Narendra Modi, a tea seller, become a prime minister of India today. So if you work hard with right strategy and right direction, you will definitely achieve the success.
I believe luck is more powerful than hard work because 1% of luck can change lives of several people. Like I would like to give an example of a song given by Ali Fazal. He has shot this song 11 years back, but due to the reels, he didn't get famous. But after several reels were made, and then the song became more popular than it was 10 years back. So this was the luck.
Yes, I totally believe and agreed with luck is more, favorable for person and then hard work because in my own experience, luck is 2 steps forward and then hard work comes.
Pujaben, I got your point, but what we have seen throughout the history of human beings, hard work has produced results most of the times. Even famous scientists like Thomas Alva Edison, he used to say that success is 99% of perspiration and 1% inspiration. So he has invented more than thousands of new products or new invention, but he used to work very hard. We have seen many successful persons and successful ruler of the world, they used to work very hard because luck sometimes favors you, but not always. But hard work most of the time gives consistent results.
Apurva, actually, I believe that luck is more important because I want to give you an example. You have exam tomorrow and you have prepared so hard for your exam. You know everything, but at the last time you got with an accident. So what you do?
It's okay, Jenny. One exam will take you one result, but they will not take away your skills. If you're not prepared and you're prepared and exam you have not given, that's okay. You next exam you will clear it. But you have not prepared and going to exam, this will not work.
I just would like to add one more point about the journey. I also had same experience. I prepared very well in my exams, and my friend didn't prepare anything. It was a 100 MCQ question. It was about a computer skill exam, and she just took random answers and she got 99 marks, and I just left, and I only got 80 marks. With more preparation, I got less marks. So this was the luck of her that she got more marks than me.
Sometimes it is important. Hard work is your time and efforts you put in.
Yeah.
So hard work is more important for everyone. Luck only 1% and 99% hard work.
But I think
for success.
But I think that 1% can change the whole 99%. Like you can be successful with that only 1%.
But that 1% may be luck, may be hard work. So according to me, it is interconnected. We can't say every time luck is in our favor and only a hardworking person gets. As Angi told, it is happened. She put hard work more, but her friend got the chance. So that is luck.
Yeah, sometimes it happens, but most of the time it doesn't work. And even you cannot have good luck every time because suppose your luck will make you reach some place, but after reaching ahead to that, you have to work very hard. So luck will not favor all the time.
Okay, let me give an example about lucky draw. Last time only I just read a newspaper column. In what happened, one boy just randomly took a ticket and he won 1 crore prize money. And one person for 10 years he is taking that lucky coupon and he has not won not more than 10 rupees. So this is luck which can change the life of people.
Yes. We can say that the hard work is more important. I'll give you the example of doctor's son. Will he or she going to become a doctor as a heredity of doctors? No. If he or she wants to become a doctor, then he has to appear in the examination. He has to work hard to clear that examination and have to practice like a doctor. If by making the heredity or doing the same line business like a son of a doctor, he can't be a doctor. So you have to work hard to become a doctor.
When you do work with right people,
Yes.
with right direction,
With right strategies.
yes, then definitely success will follow you.
But as I want to just add, here's an example of his father. He is a doctor, so he can give advices to his son
But he
personally.
will not give
He
exam.
can little bit. He has a support of his father that yes, he's a doctor, so that I can get some experiences. Some of his mistakes can be prevented by his son. So he's lucky that his father is a doctor, so he can get an expertise or an
But many
experience
great
about the father.
doctors are born with no family background of medical. So because of their you know the B.C. Roy, who was our in his remembrance we celebrate Doctors Day. So he had no medical background, but he learned all the skill in his own self, and he gave to the community. And that's why people remember him.
Yeah.
So yes, we can take the example of APJ Abdul Kalam as well.
Yes.
So his background is not as such. Means he came from the poor family. So he became by his own skills only. So his hard work ultimately answers him.
Even
Yes.
we worked very hard when we joined Dipti
Yes.
Shah's. We, from last 2 months, we worked very, very hard, and now
You see
we
the
are
result.
sitting here.
Yes, this
That's
is the
our
result.
hard work.
Hard work.
This is the result of hard work.
Okay, let me give another example for luck. Let me talk about our Bollywood, our great Bollywood. We have many mafias of nepotism sitting
Yes,
there.
yes.
Let me give example of a great Ananya Pandey who just got lucky by his father, and she just got 2 movies with her. She doesn't have any acting skills, she doesn't have anything, but she is now a brand ambassador of
But
many
see,
But she has
brands.
to
But
work,
she-
work hard for that.
but
She has
but
just
see,
got a
First,
seat.
she
Many
all got
people are
that.
struggling to get
Yes.
that a movie. They
but
are
Alvi,
giving 100
box
auditions.
office doesn't recognize any nepotism. It's the outcome of the movies which Ananya Pandey has acted. Most of the movies are
But she
failed.
got a chance, no?
But-
Example,
but-
I want to become an actor. I am giving 100 auditions, 200. I'm not getting the chance. I just want one chance for a movie, and I didn't get. And that girl, without any audition, with the help of his father, she got the chance. Yes, I know her movies are flop, but she got that chance, no? Here the people are giving 200 auditions, they are not getting the
Yes.
chance.
But
It's
they-
just that one chance we
So
they
nobody
want.
is going to take away your skills. If you are not successful in Bollywood, take the Tollywood. You can also work in there are lots of ways to do it.
You
But
can,
you-
yes, you
Yeah,
can
she-
take the example of Priyanka Chopra if we are talking about the Bollywood. So she
Yes.
also belongs to a
Okay.
different family, not having a background of film stars. So she became the star. Why? Because she worked hard. Today she also works in a
Bollywood.
Hollywood. So she is doing the hard work.
See, Ananya Pandey got 2 or 3 movies by her luck. But if she want to reach on top,
Yes.
she must have to work
We have
hard.
example of Kareena Kapoor. She also is a product of nepotism, but she has definitely acting skills. So she is very successful in the Bollywood also. So some part of luck, but hard work to that will ultimately lead you to success.
Jenny.
Yes, I too think like both are necessary to become a successful in life, but luck is that can change everything. Like for you see that Virat Kohli, he got a chance because in some matches one player is injured and he got chance to play and he played well. So if he didn't get chance, he cannot show that how well he can play. So
But see, his hard work after getting the chance. You know the lifestyle of Virat Kohli, eating
Yes.
habits of Virat Kohli, his team workout. So he has capitalized on the opportunity he has gotten. So it's not hard work only, but hard work, then luck, and after that very hard work. That will
Yes.
ultimately.
So I just want to add, if I have failed any exam, what our teachers say, better luck next
Next
time.
time.
Yes.
So why luck they add? So why they say better luck next time? Why the luck one is coming?
Yes.
Even teachers say us,
In
work
ma-
very hard.
But first,
Without
the
word-
first
But
ultimately,
Yes.
first she will give report card. There is a red mark. My parents will ask why she is not. The teacher first
Yes.
answer will be better luck next time, and then work hard. Better luck will come the first.
Yes, I'm totally agreed with Angi friends because yes, after having tremendous hard work, sometimes it happens to us, in all human beings' life, it happens to us that circumstances are
Favorable.
not in our favor. So yes, luck is also there.
Yes.
But
Luck
only
and
luck
hard
is
work
both together.
both are interconnected
Yes.
according to mine.
Yes.
They are the two sides of the same coin.
Yes.
Yes.
So there is a duality in each and every area of human life.
Yes.
Mind and brain, husband and wife, male, female. So each and everything is necessary.
Yes.
Both together makes everything complete.
Yes.
Yes.
You
So
can
we have to work hard and believe in
Believe in
luck.
luck.
Then we
Yes.
can have both the benefit of
Yes.
it.
But not opposite. You don't work and only believe in the luck.
Yeah.
That will
Yes.
also not
We
work.
cannot,
That's not going to work.
Okay, we cannot only sit and wait for luck without doing anything.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
luck will
exactly.
come. I will not do
Yes.
any hard work and
Yes.
just sit and pray to God, please help me, and not doing anything. So
Yeah.
this is waiting for the luck, and it is not a good
For
advantage.
success, luck and hard work both are necessary.
necessary.
Yes.
Yes. Conclude.
Okay, so in conclusion, as they both said that 99% hard work is there, and it is true. Without hard work, we can't achieve anything. If we failed also, we will work hard and we will achieve the goal. But 1% luck can also change the lives of several
Yes.
people. It is a chance that we get with our hard work. So it is a two sides of the same coin, but hard work is more and more important.
Yes. Greatly inspired.